Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. Today, I'd like to share with you the recipe for soft, juicy, and perfectly textured soda-infused, ankoftesi, mom's meatballs. Let's start by placing 1 kilogram of medium-fat ground beef into a mixing bowl. Grate 2 medium-sized onions using the fine side of a grater, and add them, along with their juice, to the ground beef. Add 2 eggs. Add 1 teacup of breadcrumbs or stale breadcrumbs. Add 1 level teaspoon of baking powder. Squeeze the juice of half a small lemon over the baking powder. I used 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 level teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 grated garlic cloves. Add 2 teacups of plain sparkling water. Finally, add half a bunch of finely chopped parsley and knead the mixture well. We need to knead for about 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, the mixture becomes soft and slightly sticky. Once kneaded thoroughly, cover it and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours. If you have time, prepare the mixture a day in advance and let it rest overnight in the refrigerator for even better. At this stage, let's prepare our sauce. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or olive oil to a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper paste. If you like it spicy, using spicy pepper paste will enhance the flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and sauté until the paste releases its aroma. Next, add half a teacup of red pepper-flavored tomato puree that I prepared in the summer. Stir for a few seconds. Add the spices, 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix well and remove from the stove. Set the sauce aside until we prepare our meatballs. After resting for 2 hours, knead the meat mixture again. Then shape the meatballs. Keep a bowl of water nearby to make shaping easier. I made mine slightly larger than a walnut. If you prefer, you can shape them oval as well. To prevent the meatballs from sticking to each other, cover them with cling film or use freezer bags. Shape all the meatballs. Use a thick-bottomed, non-stick pan. Lightly oil it with a brush and heat it before adding the meatballs. Place the meatballs into the pan. Cook them on high heat initially, then flip them over. At this stage, cook them on medium heat, flipping frequently to cook both sides evenly. I chose to cook them in a pan this time. You can also bake them if you prefer. I usually prefer baking as it's much easier that way. Transfer the meatballs, once golden on both sides, onto a serving plate. Take some of the prepared sauce into a small dish and serve the meatballs hot with it. As you can see, the texture is soft, juicy, and incredibly delicious. I'm sure you'll love it once you try it too. For those who'll give it a try, enjoy! If you liked this video, please support me with likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.